Hi, I'm Ben Beatty, Chief Health Officer here at BGSU with our weekly COVID-19 update. So we've been watching the trends over the last several weeks, and we're seeing sort of a sustained caseload for a number of COVID-19 cases that seems to be very manageable for us. And we expected to see this throughout the break with students off campus as well. So as we look towards the future, we really want to be mindful of our interactions because we're getting really close. We're in the holiday season and approaching Christmas. We do believe that a lot of people really limited their Thanksgiving gatherings, which helped us to keep the numbers down. Even though we did see a spike in cases, we seem to be plateauing off, and we want to see that continue to decrease as we approach the Christmas holiday. At the same time, this week, we saw the first vaccinations going out in Ohio, and that was a huge positive step in the right direction towards the end of this pandemic. We really want to be mindful, though, that even though frontline healthcare workers and those in nursing homes and skilled nursing facilities are going to be getting vaccinated over the next several weeks, it's going to take quite some time to get to the point where we have that herd immunity across our populations. And so these next couple weeks are critical to keep that spread to as low a level as possible so that we can continue to move forward and open things back up. This is the time that we can finish out strong and then look towards the spring and the summer and sort of a renewed normalcy that we're going to see as we move forward. So keep doing what you're doing to protect your loved ones, to keep them healthy throughout this holiday season. And to you and your family, I hope you have happy holidays.